I give up. It's simply not gonna fit. By now, I've been living van life for about a year. I remember at first it seemed crazy, it seemed minimalistic. You can only take so much things with you when you're living in a van. But in 24 hours, it's gonna get way worse. We're gonna pack our bags, and in this video I'm gonna show you what we're gonna take with us for 6 months of traveling in Central and South America. And if you haven't been on this channel before, then I'm Joe, and sincerely welcome to Wild Viking Travels. I guess the first two things I should tell you is who I'm going on this journey with and what kind of backpacks are we using. So first off, this is Liisu.
Hello, I'm Liisu.
And Liisu, could you show us what kind of backpacks are we going with?
One of us has gone for the quality and the other one has gone for the price. Currently, Joe has a
Peak Design travel bag, 45 liter, works as a camera bag. Expensive as heck. I don't know if I've ever had anything in my life that's so expensive and isn't like electronics. So the backpack together with a camera packing tube and like a strap for the camera was pretty much 400 euros. And which one is our second backpack?
Our second backpack is a 45 liter blue backpack. Yes, a blue backpack.
So this time our goal is that we're only gonna have the carry-on luggage because we're gonna live out of our backpacks for pretty much half a year. We're not quite sure yet. We're gonna do many countries and we're gonna do it as minimalistic as possible. Don't pull your back. Alrighty, but now it's finally time to start packing. And I guess the hardest thing about that packing is that I want to keep on making those YouTube videos, and this means that I have to carry a lot of technology, and yeah, that's the first thing that has to fit. That's a packing tube that's designed for that bag, and it's a camera packing tube. So here we have the camera, a microphone, lenses and everything to clean the lenses. So that's pretty much the camera gear that needs to be protected the most. It's the first thing, and 1/3 of the whole bag is gone. Next up, easy one. That's freaking perfect. And now we got 3 bags of equal importance. We got pens, we got cables, power bank, GoPro stuff, earphones, beard stuff for the second GoPro, and you probably know what's in the last one. That's everything to do with flying. That's the drone. Okay, but let's see if we can fit it. That's literally all the technology I want to take with me, and my bag is full. Guys, I don't know. Guys, I just don't know. I might have to go and beg Liisu to like carry 2 pairs of my underwear or something, because there's simply just no more room left. Oh crap, I don't know what to do. Okay, I literally don't know what to do. Before we jump back into packing, I would like to take a few moments to thank the sponsor of today's video, who's Skillshare. By now I've literally been using Skillshare for... Hello! Hola! It always feels good if dogs come and give you attention. It makes you feel like you've done things right in life. But anyways, Skillshare. So by now I've been using Skillshare for about 3 months, and I'm absolutely loving how the site brings all learners together. For myself this month, most beneficial have definitely been the course called El Método, the method by Peter Hanley, that teaches Spanish. I feel that almost every day I'm really advancing. And as we're going to South America now, I actually got worried that I'm not gonna be able to use Skillshare anymore because I'm not gonna have that stable internet connection over there. So I started looking, and even to my own surprise, I found out that Skillshare has an app, and it's possible to download courses to your phone. And for the last 2 days I've downloaded like 60 gigabytes of different courses, from learning Spanish, videography, photography. Instead of just scrolling on social media, you can use the time well and educate yourself, make yourself feel better about yourself. And I'm super glad to once again say that Skillshare has given me the opportunity to offer 1 month free trial to first 1,000 of my subscribers. So make sure to click the link in the description below if you are someone who's excited about learning, who likes to educate yourself. But alrighty, let's go and continue on packing. Alrighty, I did manage to get some good news. And the good news is that that bag is made very, very well. I'm thinking that I can actually fit a fair bit of clothes in there. It's the whole department that opened up when we opened those zippers on the side. So it's like 10 liters in here. That's not bad. So now we got packing cubes, 5 pairs of underwear, 3 pairs of socks, 1 pair of cozy pants, 1 pair of nice pants, 1 pair of swimming pants, 2 t-shirts, 1 nice shirt, 1 nice shirt on me already. Okay, and let's have a look how the heck do the packing cubes work. Well, 1 big, 2 small. I think it was like 4 or 5 euros for all of this in IKEA. Socks and underpants. 1, 3, 6, 9. I guess the second one is gonna be for, can we put you here? T-shirts and pants. T-shirt 1, sweater, pants number 1. Okay, that's pretty cool. That's like all the clothes I had on the table. Did not expect it to take so little room, but I've never used packing cubes before. We have hope again, guys, we have hope again. We might be able to fit those things somewhere. Let's go and have a look. IKEA packing cubes are perfect size for this bag. Okay, now we made it to the toiletries part. I'm not really sure anymore what's coming, what's going, but well, toothpaste, toothbrush, painkillers, deodorant, nappies, cream that helps for sunburn, nail clippers, and that's a secret elixir. Thank you God, a travel towel. Every traveler has some weird things in their bag that they shouldn't have over there. This packing cube is gonna be called the crap I will never use. 1 pair of gloves, 1 pair of warm socks, a mouth harp. Okay guys, what just happened is that our hosts asked us in for dinner, so we're gonna stop packing for a second. Lizu is back here as well, she had a shower. I really want to have a shower too.
Look at this. This is the finished product of today's morning's haircut.
What sound does an elephant do? Final reveal. And I think when I come back it's gonna be pitch dark, so I'm just gonna tell you what else is gonna go in the bag. My notebook, 1 book, There's a whole long story behind that one, but it's a good book. Playing cards, 1 hat, and I guess that's pretty much it. So we're gonna go and eat, wash, and we'll continue this video most probably tomorrow morning. It is 5:35 and the adventure begins. Yay!
I regret my life choices.
Whoever invented waking up was an idiot. Okay, this only happens to us. We saw this next to butter and cream cheeses, and we thought we could use this on our sandwich in the morning. It's not butter, it's not grilled cheese, it's yeast. And we bought 4 of those. Freyja, you are a wonderful man. See you in half a year. It actually fits.
Hasta que la señal de cinturones se apague. Le recomendamos mantener
It's about 7 o'clock in the evening, last light of the day. 27 degrees outside, and we have made it to Dominican Republic.